forecast for August 31st by FX Empire. The light sweet crude market in front of you, as you can see, rallied significantly during the session here on Friday and crashed into the 46 level, which is a pretty significant barrier. With that being said, though, we cleared 45, which is a large round number, and that had to get a lot of people's attention. Ultimately, if we can break above 46, we feel the market's probably going to test 50. This is an extraordinarily impulsive move, and while we're not ready to call it a trend change yet, it certainly looks like we may be asking a few questions. Ultimately, though, it's going to be easier to sell this market than buy it for a while. So, resistive candles could offer selling opportunities. Over in the Brent market, we tried to get above 51, but failed. However, having said that, we did have a pretty strong session for the second day in a row. And with this, it looks like we're going to try to get above 52 eventually and then break out to 55. If we can do that, 55 becomes a bit of a line in the sand in our opinion, and if we can get above 55, the trend will probably have changed. Pullbacks are very likely at this point, though, so we're willing to sell resistive candles as the market takes advantage of a cheap U.S. dollar, at least in terms of oil. Ultimately, though, we will have to watch ourselves. This is very strong.